Cutie. Cutie. We'll do it. Oh, gee. Oh, look at it.
Let's go here to the feeding station.
We're now at the bird world. Looking at the different birdies.
Down over there says hello.
A bunch of them are hiding.
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
What are you doing in there?
It's hiding. You're hiding too.
Hello.
He uses a key for amplification.
Hello. He was just screaming at us.
Pretty or something.
You better go back in there. Guy here, and a couple guys there, and a whole bunch more guys there.
Oh, so it's in here. Oh.
These guys are pretty good size. Getting a drink from a little hole in the sidewalk here. Couple of sea-colored duck. And some sort of kingfisher. Couple of little finches. These guys are absolutely beautiful.
He's better now, that's it.
Yeah, here's a National Geographic moment.
Oh. Geographic moment.
Hey Kelly, what are they doing?
I don't know, Tom. What are they doing?
Hey, they're trying to play leapfrog.
I think that's 2's gonna make 3, isn't it?
I guess this is another one for Yuki.
Yeah. There you go.
He's got a third observer over there.
Most
right now. So we're playing over here.
Hey, big man, old man. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am.
Sounds like a highway over there.
We've got some oranges and yellows. And then a couple more characters up here. Actually, there's quite a few birds throughout the trees here. What are you doing? What are you doing? There's another one of these cassoways that we saw at the zoo. Again, these are absolutely prehistoric looking birds. Eating pretty good chunks of apple.
Like wow.
Looks like dog food and minced up fish.
Couple more parrots here. Two hanging out here at the feeding station. There goes. Known to attract relatives.
You can't stand
Need more sun time? Is that your good side? Oh, yeah, you're all straight. All straight. Oh, give me the good side. Good side. All right, come on. Good feeling. Good feeling. There you go. There you go. Give it to me. Give it to me. Yes, yes.
Slow emotion.
Come on. Come on. Oh. Uh-oh. I think he's had it with us.
What are you doing?
What about you? Here's the character that was inside the log. Now he's decided to come out and be a little bit more photogenic.